Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is owner-based sharing. Sharing rules should be created only for object whose OWD is private. Sharing rule only extend the access, they can't restrict the access. Sharing rules are of two types, owner-based sharing rules, criteria-based sharing rules. Owner-based sharing. Choose this option if you want to share records based on their owner. We can share a record owned by a user or group of users with other users. We can share records based on roles and subordinates, and public groups. Let's see an example. Share all records owned by Salesforce Network. This is a username. This is one user account with user A. This is another user account. Share the records whose role is director. So user A having director role. So just log into our Salesforce account. So click on setup. Settings, security, sharing settings. So just scroll down. So we have to find the sharing setting for student object. So here student sharing rules, click on new. So just provide the essential details. Student sharing rule. Use sharing rules to make automatic expansions of, to your organization while sharing settings for defined sets of users. So here just provide the essential details, the rule name. Here I am providing student owner based sharing, and provide the description, sharing the records, basis of owner. Select your rule type. So based on record owner, select which record to be shared. Student owned by members of roles, public groups, roles and subordinates. So by public group. So we had created a public group by the name public group demo. So I had selected this one. Select the user to share with. So to whom I want to share the records, click on roles, and for the director I had given user A account director role. So which type of access I want to assign, select the level of access for the user. Access level is read only or read and write. So I am providing read write permission. Save. The recalculation of sharing access will continue in the background. You will receive an email notification upon completion. Do you want to continue? Yes. So maybe sometimes it's taking little bit of time. So again, just log into our user A account. So previously we had made the OWD as private, so the owner of user only can see the record. But now this user is able to see all the records and can edit and modify the record. So in the student sharing rule, here we are given the public group demo, public group, and shared with role director, and access level is read write. If all I want to cross verify the records is shared by this user A account, so simply I am going with our main account. In the administration, just open the users. So I am making this user A account rule. I am removing not specified. Click save. Again come back to our user A account. Refresh the page. Let's see if he is able to see all the records. Now user A account is not able to see or not able to edit and modify all the records what is earlier shared by Salesforce Network account. So like this we are sharing the records on the behalf of owner. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.